Hello, today we're going to be decorating this butterfly using a technique called pointillism. With this, we're going to be using paint, Q-tips, and then we have our paper. You can choose whatever color of paints you like. The most important thing is not to mix them together or brush them onto the page. Let me show you what I mean. I have 4 different colors of paint in my tray, so I have 4 different Q-tips. That way, I'm not mixing the colors together. I have one for each color. If I'm going to start with blue, I would dip my Q-tip in the blue paint, and then I would start making a pattern around my butterfly. I'm making a pattern of dots, which is pointillism, and I'm going to keep on doing that until I'm done. You don't want to brush, you just want to make dots. The more dots, the more intricate your pattern looks, the neater it's going to be. But if you're not sure, you can always start with a bit simpler of a pattern with fewer dots on it. You don't have to use the same colors I do. You can use whatever colors you choose. So let's get to it and we'll see how it turns out. My butterfly is done, and as you can see, I've tried to make it as symmetrical as I can so that both sides have the same pattern like a butterfly would in real life. I also added some more paint to some areas that were the dots were a little bit too far apart. So the dots overlap a little bit, and that's all right. What you want to do is make sure that you're doing the dot motion rather than painting it on like you would with a paintbrush. So from here, you could cut it out when it's dry and you could stick it on your wall or the fridge, or you could make a background for it and glue it onto that, or just leave it as it is. You don't have to follow this pattern. You can use your own colors. You could make it look like a monarch butterfly or a painted lady butterfly or any of the other beautiful butterflies that there are out in the world. If you want to share yours, I would love to see you upload it to Teams, and I will see you next time.